I spent 6 years and $6,000 chasing a dream and still failed at it. In 2017, I opened my Etsy shop. Within months, I was flooded with requests. But there was one problem I couldn't solve, and it nearly cost me my business. I started wanting to make just a few wallets at home, but the demand grew fast. Personalization became everything. Initials, names, and meaningful messages on my leather crafts. Then came a whole new customer, the corporate clients. And that's where the real challenge began. They requested their logos and business names on my leather goods. Now those logo stamps required brass dies, and I couldn't make them in-house. Each one cost me about $100 or more, and took at least a week shipping mostly from overseas. And that delay, it usually killed the deal. I tried saying yes, but sometimes missed the deadlines. I had to walk away from deals worth tens of thousands of dollars. So I tried to fix it myself. I went online and bought a CNC machine. At the time, big investment for me, $6,000. A huge machine for my very limited space and no clue how to use it. Then I realized I need software. I bought it. And tools. I invested in it. Then materials to engrave on. Sure. Months passed, kept spending money and time. Nothing came out of it. The learning curve was too steep and I didn't have time. After 5 years of dragging that machine from workshop to workshop that I moved from, I finally sold it for $1,000 4 months ago without ever making a single stamp. That failure stayed with me. Then earlier this year, I made it to a leather exhibition in Hong Kong. Wandering through the aisles, I saw something familiar. A small desktop-sized machine making brass stamps right in front of my eyes in real time. I ran into the booth. Turns out it was made by a Korean company. Compact, clean, and designed for crafters like me. I asked every question. What software? What materials? Tools? How about training? Lead times? Support? They had it all. It was a turnkey system, software included. And they invited me to South Korea to learn it firsthand. I always wanted to go to Korea, and this was the perfect reason. Landing in Korea, I wasn't sure what to expect. But I was ready to solve the thing that held me for 6 years now. They showed me everything, the machine, the materials, the software.
This is super easy.
Right?
Man, I can't believe it. You have no idea how much I struggled with this
Right.
CNC learning stuff before.
But I can see that you gave some attention to the class.
I want to learn.
I made my very first brass stamp on site. After years of trying and failing, 30 minutes of training made me able to make my stamp myself. It just worked. Talking with the team, I realized they made this machine for creators like myself to remove the bottleneck, to unlock the creativity. Of course, I also took the time to explore the streets, the food, and the culture. Korea has this interesting energy, a great blend of tradition and innovation. For me, it was the perfect backdrop to a solution that I was yearning to solve for years now. A dream finally coming true. Before I left, we made it official. They would send me the machine, and we also agreed upon something special for you, my creator community. Back home, I received the machine a few weeks after. Now, this machine unlocked the designs that I had in mind for years now. This wasn't just a tool, it was the missing piece of my dreams. If you're a leather worker, a hobbyist, a maker, or a studio brand, this machine could be one of the best investments you could make. And to make it easier for you, I asked the maker company, Redt, for a discount for my audience. And they said yes, offering a 10% discount on the machine with a free shipping to my creator community. So you can expand your abilities instantly and offer real customization for your customers. Use the link in my profile to check out the machine, and don't forget to use the code TANNER when ordering your machine from Redt website. Sometimes it takes years to solve a problem, but when you do, it's like magic. As always, stay curious and stay leather-tained.